Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Today's video is going to be jam-packed with new releases. I cannot believe how many packages came in this week. I know last week I did not film a mail haul Monday, and that was just simply because I didn't have enough packages to film a full video. So I did save some from last week, but so many came in this week, and I cannot wait to swatch all these things with you guys because there's so many new releases that I am just stoked. So anyways, really quick before we do get started, if you are new to my channel, then hello, welcome. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe down below. That way you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week. So Wednesdays, Fridays, and then mail hauls every single Monday. Also make sure to click the bell notifications. That way you're notified as soon as a video goes live. But I have a lot to unbox with you guys, so let's dive in. First package actually came from Nars, and I believe they sent 2 over. So let's see what this is. Okay, so we have 2 products. Okay, the very first product is called Fire Clay. And this is actually their new glow blush is what they're calling it. And here's what it looks like. It is so beautiful, and you have 3 different colors. It looks like you have a highlight, a blush, and then a bronzer. And also, you guys, if I do sound a little bit under the weather in this video, I have been sick for the past week. I haven't been feeling very well, so if I sound a little bit off, that's probably why. But yeah, here's what that looks like. I'm going to try to swatch it 3 different ways. I'm going to swatch it down the middle so you can see what the blush looks like and the highlight, and then the bronzer, and then we'll kind of swatch it all together. This is what they look like all together. That is so beautiful. It's just very like glowy. I feel like I could have got a little bit more on my hand. It's always hard swatching with the pinky finger because it's such a small area. But yeah, here's what it looks like. Oh, so beautiful. And then here's what the products look like separately. I tried to grab as much product as I could. So there is that. So pretty. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to wear this on the cheeks. I have a product bag that I'm putting all this stuff in so I can take it to my other room because like I said, I am going to be doing like an updated product video, which I will have one of those either this week or next. The next thing they sent over is their Afterglow lip balm, and it has an SPF in it. It just looks like it is a normal like lip balm. It doesn't look colored at all. So there is that. This video, from what I can tell with the packages, because you know, I stalk other people's PR packages, we're gonna have a lot of swatching. So I kind of know, because with me living in North Carolina, I get stuff like later than most people. So when I see people opening and unboxing stuff, I'm like, oh, I wonder if I'm getting that. And so by the time that it may get to me, I kind of already have an idea of what it might be. The next package is another one from Nars. I have not opened this up yet, but like I said, I think I saw some others that may have gotten this package, so I have an idea of what it is. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I love Nars so much. So let me feel around. Oh, look how pretty these are, you guys. These kind of remind me of the Dazzle lip gloss that MAC makes. I can tell I'm still under the weather because it's like hard for me to like talk and finish the sentence, and I sound kind of nasally. So sorry about that. Oh, these might require a full-on video. I cannot. These are me. These are me. Okay. These have to be a full video. These are their lip glosses. All right, this is basically, I'm guessing, their spring collection. So we have a couple different things. We have little lip sets that come with a velvet matte lip pencil and I believe a gloss. So we have 3 different sets of those. And then we have this palette. Oh my gosh, this is almost like their holiday palette that I actually put in my 2018 favorites. I loved it so much. This packaging is so beautiful. It says Nars on the front. Cannot wait to open this. Oh, so pretty. So here's what it looks like. It just has these like little wavy designs in it. Looks like you have 2 bronzers, a highlight, and 3 blushes. I literally use this palette all the time. I'm actually wearing it on my cheeks. Not this palette, but y'all know what I mean. I literally use the one from the holiday collection all the time. Let's swatch this. So buttery. You have no idea. I'm going to swatch all the blushes together. Oh, these are so beautiful. Look at that. There are those colors swatched. And then let's do the bronzers. You have one that's much lighter and one that's much darker. But this formula is so buttery. I think this formula is actually better than the one for the holiday. Now again, don't get me wrong, I love the holiday one, but I think because of the design in the holiday one, it made it a little bit less buttery. Still very buttery, but I'm just saying this one feels like it glides on even smoother than that one, and I already love that one, so this makes me very excited. And this releases on, I'm guessing, the 17th of February on Ulta, so I believe this one is an Ulta exclusive. The one in the holiday 2018 collection I believe was a Sephora exclusive, so makes sense. And just because I'm so excited about these lip glosses, I want to put one on, so I'm going to try this one right here. This one is called Pulsion, I believe. P-U-L-S-I-O-N. I almost can't see. I don't have my glasses on. Let me swatch it on the hand so you can see. If you guys want a full-on video of this, like new Nars spring collection video, and you want to see lip swatches, because they did send over a ton of different shades. And again, these are like shades that I would wear. They're very fun shades. We have some more neutrals. Let me know in the comments below. I'm not going to swatch all of them in this video. Let me swatch one more really quick. This is called Mythic Red, which doesn't look like it would be called Mythic Red. You know what I'm saying? This is a little bit more pinky than the one I have on. And they feel very comfortable on the lips. So again, if y'all want a swatch video, let me know down below. And then I will put these side by side so that way you can kind of see the colors in the little minis. So there are those. But again, let me know what you think, because I kind of do want to swatch these all on the lips. I'm very curious. And a big thank you to Nars for this amazing package. I'm so grateful as always. Thank y'all so much. Cannot wait to play. Next package we have came from Huda Beauty, and Metal and Matte Melted Shades. And again, you guys already know I love the packaging that they always put these in because it's so protective. Oh, yay! Okay, these are new colors of the Metal and Matte shades. Now, I actually just did a video last week, a first impressions makeup tutorial, actually using these, and the glitter shades, oh my gosh, amazing. So I hope they continue to release more colors. Let's see what we have. Some of these look very different. Okay, so here's what they look like. Very spring colors. So you have like a yellow shade, a lavender, a teal, and then like two orangey shades. So let's get to swatching. So we have Limelight and Gold Chains. Very cool names. I wonder what the glitter looks like, because the Limelight shade is very neon green, but I have been really into topping my eyes with glitter lately. I know I talked about the Pixie ones recently, so like this color would look so pretty over so many different eyeshadows. So there's that one right there. And let's see when these release. It doesn't say. I will try to check around and see what I can find. The next one we have is called Drop Top and Double Pump Latte. It's like a brownie shade. This one I feel like I'm really gonna love. So there is like the base, and you don't actually have to use this as a base. I'm pretty sure what I did, well, I did use it as a base in the video, but you can just use like the glitter shades over an eyeshadow. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. I just honestly love Huda Beauty. I feel like all of the products that she's come out with, I've like fell in love with. Like I have no complaints over any of the products. The next one we have is Froyo and Wednesday. And it's like the lavender shade. This would be a really pretty springtime color. These shades remind me of like Easter eggs. Okay, I think this one like had a lot of product on it. Oh, look how pretty those are, you guys. And they have so much like sparkle and glitter in them too. Okay, next we have Room Service and Do Not Disturb. This one's more to me like a caramel shade or caramel, however you say it. I know everybody has two different pronunciations for that word, I feel like. And I feel like some of them have glitter, but like this one doesn't really have a lot of glitter in it. I feel like it's more just like metallic-y. These shades are so beautiful. And last one, this one's another one. I don't know if I'll get a ton of views, Salad, but I do want to try it. So here is this one, and then it is Dinero and Minted. This would be fun to do like a teal look for springtime, and I cannot wait to wear these. And honestly, a lot of times I feel like this color, specifically like the glitter shade, it looks really good with browns. Okay, so there are all those from Huda Beauty. Love, love them. I think these shades are super neat to add to the collection and definitely bring some more pops of color. I actually have the ones from the first launch here in front of me because I did a video with them, like I said. So here are the first ones, but definitely check them out. It's a really cool formula. You get like the liquid shadow and then the glittery metallic shade. So love that. Thank you so much to Huda Beauty for that package. I need a makeup wipe. Next package we have came from Buxom. Oh my goodness. I'm like about to dive into these because I'm so excited. So Buxom came out with these new products. The first one is a full-on plumping lip cream. And here is the packaging. And then they also came out with a Wanderlust primer infused blush, and I believe this is a cream blush. The shades look so up my alley, you guys. I cannot wait to swatch all of these and also to test them out and review them for you guys. I definitely want to use them in a first impressions tutorial, but I'm pretty sure each one might have a match-ish. So we have Dolly and then Dolly Daiquiri. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited they sent these over. So here's what the packaging looks like for the lip cream. And so here's what that looks like. It's like a very glossy product. And then again, you have a blush that I believe is supposed to match them. And the packaging for this blush is so beautiful. I love it. It's almost like an acrylic type packaging, see-through. It has Buxom. And I love when companies make products where you can actually see the shade on the front, so it's easy to find. Oh, these aren't cream. Oh, that makes it even better because I love powder blushes. Okay, so here's this one, and this one again is called Dolly. So pretty, and those match so well. Okay, let's find the next one. Next one we have is called Mykonos and Mykonos Sunrise. This one's a really pretty corally shade. So pretty. I kind of want to top this over top of what I'm wearing, just so I can kind of get a feel for like how it feels. It feels very comfortable. It's not very sticky. And I know it says plumping, but it's not tingling too bad on the lips. So there's that shade swatch. These will be so pretty, especially again in the spring and summertime. Okay, it's starting to tingle a little bit more. Okay, and then here is the Mykonos blush. Oh, I love a good coral blush shade. Oh, especially with a tan. You cannot beat that. And I accidentally, which I kind of am not hating it, dropped some of the powder whenever I went to swatch it on top of the lip gloss, and it actually looks kind of cool. So there are those two shades swatched. Mykonos. Oh. Next two we have is GOA and then GOA Gimlet. This is like a darker pink shade. It looks brighter pink from the outside packaging, but it looks a little bit darker on the products. So let's swatch the blush. Oh, beautiful. And the blushes also have like this really pretty sheen to them. I do not like a flat blush, so that like I love. And then the lip shade looks a little bit darker. Oh, it's like a red cherry color. There's that. I love this collection. I think it's so cute. And again, the packaging, love. Okay, so they do have an Ibiza pink blush. They didn't send that one over, but they did send over the Ibiza lip plumper lip cream. So I want to see what that one looks like, and honestly I feel like I'm gonna like the shade so much I probably am going to have to order the blush. Okay, so let's, oh yes, it is so pretty. I'll have to look up swatches on it. It's kind of similar, but it's a little bit more pinky, and I love the cooling sensation. Normally I don't really like lip plumpers from most brands, but the Buxom ones I have really enjoyed. I really like one of their, it's like a lip topper that I use a lot. I cannot remember the name of them. Okay, next we have, this one's more of a nude shade. I'm gonna swatch it. Oh yes, on my hand. This is beautiful again. Like a very like tan nude. And I also love wearing those kind of shades again in the summer when I'm tan, because I feel like it really brings out my complexion. Oh, and here is the blush. I love that everything's so matchy-matchy because it just makes it easier to like wear and grab. And again, such a pretty sheen on the blush. I'm gonna put the blush on my arm right there. Love that. I'm very particular about my blushes too, so I cannot wait to actually put these to use. If you guys want these in a first impression, let me know. But like I've been saying, I am gonna do like a follow-up update on all the products that I haul. I'll try to be testing these out this week. Okay, last product is Havana Punch. Really pretty baby pink shade. And I keep rubbing my lips together because these are so comfortable. And then, oh, I know I'm gonna love this. Yes, beautiful baby pink. Perfect for everyday wear. And these are so pigmented too. Pigmented. The formula of the blush feels very buttery and smooth. So there is Havana. Yeah, Havana. So the blushes are just like the word, like Havana, and then the lip creams are like Havana Punch or that name and then another word after that. So thank you so much to Buxom for sending this package over. I'm so grateful and I cannot wait to use these and try them out. But I already know just by swatching them that I'm going to love them. So thank y'all so much. Next package that we have came from Too Faced, and I did open this up because honestly I was running out of a product and I saw somebody post it and knew that it was in here. So the Better Than Sex Mascara, Holy Grail Mascara, I have it on right now. It is just like my absolute favorite. And then they put, hey gorgeous, the sexiest day of the year is coming. February 10th is International Better Than Sex Day. Is that? Oh, that's today while I'm filming this. Yes, is it the 10th? Hold on, let me get to my calendar on my phone. It is the 10th. Okay. You know that our iconic Better Than Sex Mascara gives you mind-blowing lashes all day. Now you can have the amazing lashes all night with this custom Better Than Sex Sleep Mask. Sweet Dreams XO Too Faced. And this is from the brand Slip. And look how freaking cute this is. This is a better, and it says Too Faced up at the top, Better Than Sex. It says, sleep with us, tell your friends, hashtag Slip Silk Pillowcase. It says, hint. The better that you care for your Slip Silk Sleep Mask, the better it will care for you. See the care label or visit yada yada yada. So cute! Thank you so much, Too Faced. I love this. And we haven't figured out the like curtains or anything in our master bedroom, so a little bit of light is peeping in, so that will be perfect to use to sleep with. Thank you so much, Too Faced, for this package. Okay, next package came from Pixie Beauty. Gotta get in on the sides. And it says Pixie Love. Oh, I was like trying to figure out how to get the top off and you just pull it up. Oh my gosh, look at these, you guys. So these are 2 different eyeshadow palettes. I'm guessing maybe they just released these potentially. And then let's see what is in this green thing. Ooh, it's like a, looks like a sunglass case kind of. And ooh, they're brushes. I don't know if you guys can see them, but it's 3 different brushes. And this really could be a sunglass case too, but 3 different brushes. And then we have the Pixie Reflect Light Palette. This is an all shimmer palette. Here are these right there. And then the other one is called the Natural Beauty Palette. These are more cool tone shades, but you have a mix of mattes and shimmers. So there's that right there. And a big thank you to Pixie for that package. Very last package that I'm going to open is from Influencer. I actually haven't received anything from them in quite some time. I guess I need to start being more active on the app. But it says congrats. They sent over a little paper saying congrats. It came with quite a few different products. So the first thing it came with is the Not Your Mother's Whip It Up Cream Styling Mousse. Next we have the Maybelline, the Falsies Push Up Angel Mascara. I haven't actually heard of this one, so it looks like it's double-ended. We have a Click and Glow Illuminator by Lancome. And then last but not least, we have the Shea Moisture Illuminating Foaming Milk and Body Wash. So thank you so much to Influencer for that package. So I say it's like, and it just has, okay, whew, that scared me. And then like the glittery, and then the glittery, and then last but not least, we have, and you guys, that is going to complete this week's Mail Haul Monday. I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you to every single brand that sent me products to try out. I'm so excited to start testing everything for you guys and just giving you updates and reviews. But I love you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.